Okay, we're back at the homepage and you'll see three different sections here. The first one is the For You with some call to action on your next steps. The second one is a section where you can head to all the different steps on the platform. And the third one is the recent section, which you can head to the recent work that you just did through. All right, so let's click on the user research. It opens up a drawer with the outcome and the different sections of the step. And clicking go will start the process. Now the first screen you'll see is this screen. It's basically a hub of all your completed personas. Now it is important to say that you won't see here all the users that you mapped previously. You only see the users and decision makers and the influencers that you completed a full persona analysis on. Super important. Now clicking on one of the boxes will start the research user process. The first screen for this specific user or persona is an info screen. Spend some time, read it. And then the next screen would be your interview script. Now, ThinkUp create full interview script for your specific case, for this specific persona. Okay, and you can see it built for you with introduction, with a different section, with questions relevant to the different section, like main goal, needs, pains, alternatives, so on and so forth. It is written in the right way to ask questions, okay? And you can edit whatever you think appropriate. We did answer or added some insight regarding why we asked that in this certain way. But up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. Once completed, you can print it, you can send it by email, and it's ready for you. Interview script. Clicking next is all about finding your the participant that you're going to interview. If you don't know how to reach or can't reach enough of those with your networks or your surrounding, you can click here to explore groups of meetups, meeting in your place, Reddit, relevant Reddits, or subreddits, and also LinkedIn searches for graduates or whatever. Explore and find some new participant to interview. That is super important. Another way to do that is by creating post or LinkedIn post, and we created the relevant post for you. Okay, just graduated and overwhelmed by the dorm selection process. We're developing an innovative platform and so on and so forth. So just copy it to your LinkedIn profile and post something. The next thing would be if you interact with someone and want to send an email, it's also ready for you. So this is a suggested email. You can copy, just change the recipient name, maybe add a calendar link and your full name. And basically it is, and here your full name, and it's ready for you. Super easy to use, up to you to decide. We try to make it as easier as possible. All right. Once you do that and you find some potential candidates to interview, you need to get ready to the interview. What we suggest is reading this info page, but also don't forget, make sure to record all your meetings. Why is that? Because once you record your meetings, you can upload them back to ThinkUp Platform, and then we analyze it for you.